What's going on, team? It's your boy Pitmall. I decided to take today off. I know there was some moves in the market. We had some moves on NAS. We'll talk about that in a little bit when we get to the breakdown. But I did want to take the day off. There's a bank holiday. I didn't want to get caught in nothing. But there was some plays to be made today. So if you traded, you made some money, good shit. Where I'm ready to get back in these markets tomorrow and kill it. What I'm gonna do first is for this week's breakdown. I'm gonna go ahead and erase my dailies. Let's go ahead and start on the monthly. Go ahead and reset my chart. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and delete all these hour supplies. 4 hour. Take this alert out. These. I'm gonna grab our levels of supply and demand. The ones that I am going to leave, I'm still gonna leave my monthly high supply right at 16.3. My monthly demand down here, I'm gonna leave it. Take this out. Understand I have weekly supply there. Let's just grab a monthly level first. So we are trading back above here, so let's go ahead and mark this out. As long as we come trade back above, we are good. Monthly still bullish. This is a pullback. Let's see if we're gonna come trade back above this level. You see, we do have a trend line as well on the monthly. Okay. Let me grab like this level here too. Section off the zone. Keep bouncing off here. Let's see. All right, so let me mark out. I'm gonna mark a level out here at 14.385, 14.3 400 area. Let's go ahead and change this to, let's do black. So my monthlies are gonna be black. I'm gonna type in monthly demand and level there. Go ahead and make that green. All right, cool. Let's do that. Boom, we got monthly demand here. And then as long as she keeps trading under this order block, I'm gonna look for rejections in this area. So I'm looking for rejections in this area here. And she comes straight above, then I'm looking for longs. Let's go down into the weekly, see what's going on. So we can see multiple rejections of this OB already. You will have a weekly supply. I do see the weekly supply here being respected. That is a level at, let me see. That's gonna be at 15,700 area. And go ahead, I'm gonna leave that level. I like that level. And then I do see a bounce level here at 14,688. So I'm gonna put a bounce level here so we can see. I'm gonna change this to red. I'll put this red for my weekly. I'm gonna go ahead and type in weekly in demand. So we have a monthly high, we have a monthly demand, we have a weekly demand and a weekly supply. So as long as we keep trading above this, I'm looking for longs. Come trading under this, I'm looking for shorts. I'm gonna look for my, still making a floor here. You can see this floor is being respected. Respected here. Again, bounce. So this is gonna be a lower time frame level. Let's go ahead and get into our daily. Okay, so my daily, I do see a supply zone here So it's going to be the top of this monthly OB. It's going to be a heavy supply zone here for me. As you can see, this was a demand, bounce, finally broke under, came back, retested, big push down, bounce off this level. All right, we created a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, pushed up. So now I'm going to be looking for market to come back into this O. This fair value got pushed down, right? So push down from this supply zone. Let me go ahead and that in supply zone. And I'm gonna put it in the side center. All right, cool. So I'm looking for NASDAQ this upcoming week to push up based on today's, right? Give us a pullback, push up into this supply zone, and this is where we're gonna be selling off if we hold this level, right? If we come trade back above this level, then we have a new supply zone up here at 15,500 area. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that as well for our next level. All right, I'm gonna keep it tight. We do have from zone to zone 270 pips. So she does trade back above this zone here at 15,200 area. This supply zone turns it into demand. I'm gonna be looking for longs. As long as she holds under, this is going to be my short position. So anything within this range, I'm going to be looking for a short position, right? Bearish engulfing, I'm gonna look for a reversal pattern. Let's go down to our 4 hours. Trying to keep this short and simple and mark out our 4-hour levels. Let's go ahead and delete all these trades from this week. Cool. Gonna definitely mark out this level here. It's gonna be a 4-hour. Let's see. Change this to purple. I'm gonna do purple for my 4 hours. All right. For each 4-hour level here. So I know I'm going to be looking for this demand to keep holding. Once you can see, she will supply rejection. When we had a full break above, came back, retested, pushed off that level, bullish engulfing. Right, so as long as she holds this level here, this is a 4-hour level for me. I'm going to be catching buys. She comes straight under, I'm going to be looking for shorts. When she comes under my weekly, so I'm going to be looking for under my weekly. Until then, I will be waiting for price to come back into the supply zone and then catching shorts from there. So let's see. Just gonna grab a 4-hour level, one more 4-hour level here. Just gonna do a horizontal ray. Just know that I'm still trading. We come back in here. I'm going to be trading back in between these two zones from 14,859 to 14,530 area, 14,540. So we come back into this range. As long as we come underneath my weekly, I will be looking for shorts, and that is over 200 points play. So let's see if this weekly could hold. As long as she can continue to hold this demand, come push above, maybe bounce off this last high, come into my supply zone, and this is where I'm going to be looking for shorts throughout the week. So I'm going to leave it at that. We'll stop at the 4 hours, and I'm going to do intraday levels with y'all tomorrow morning before we trade. Let's kill it this week, guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I know I did. I enjoyed my little day off, my extra day off. So let's get back in these markets and start killing it.